Hey, what's up guys? We're going to take a look at this 290 RLS Cougar fifth wheel. We actually just got a couple of these in recently and they're just overall great floor plans. A lot of room to entertain, bring friends, bring family, and just the color scheme in general is absolutely just gorgeous and beautiful. Talking about the weight first, it comes out to be 9,981 pounds, and then our length is 33 feet 9 inches overall. So here on the outside at the very front, you have your Road Armor pen box. And since this is Keystone, you have the industry's best 3-year limited structure warranty. The patented hitch vision, so when you are backing up your tow vehicle, looking in your rear view mirror, it's supposed to just guide you and help align things up, so that's pretty nice. You also have accent lights on your fiberglass front cap. Battery box plus some additional storage is also there in the front. You're even prepped for those Furrion side marker cameras, and you have 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. Some pass-through storage is always a plus to me, just because you have extra space for pretty much whatever you want. Fishing rods, bikes. I don't think a canoe can fit in here, but definitely like camping tables, chairs, things like that. You have your satellite and cable hookup plus an outlet, so if you want to set a TV in here, you can. And then you also have power on the outside too. These are magnetic latch and slam latch doors. So a lot of people love those. Dual awnings as well, and they each have LED light strips. Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and then solid steps at your main entrance. This also is a friction hinge door. And then you have your assist grab handle as well. You are also pre-wired for solar on this coach. Moving along towards the back. You got your rear ladder, so you have a fully walkable roof to keep up on this roof and slide out maintenance. It just makes things a lot easier. And you are pre-wired for a observation or backup camera. And then coming over here, you have 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side, access to your water heater, and you have auto leveling, which is really cool. And then of course there's the controller for your solar. And then over here is your all of your hookups and stuff. So starting from the top is your external shower. It does come with a hose, which is over there. So you can extend it out, rinse off your shoes, maybe give your dog a bath if you want. And then moving along is your winterized solar plug, key TV multi-signal source controller, battery disconnect, and then this is also where you can open your tanks. So let's take a look at the inside. So starting with the back and then kind of working our way towards the front, this is the main portion of our camper. Very spacious. You have plenty of room for people to sit everywhere. You can entertain as much as you want. Love the color scheme too. It's kind of like a cream tone for your cabinets, and these are those updated interior style that they included. To my left is your freestanding dinette. You can kind of move the chairs whichever way that you want. Underneath the seats is some additional storage on all of them. You probably could put some placemats there or something. Gorgeous darker tone for your tabletop. And your legs are mounted against the walls, so if you happen to be a taller person, you don't have to worry about hitting your legs on the table legs. And then this right here is actually like an outdoor rug material, so you can easily sweep up pet hair or just wipe things down. To the right of your dinette is your very comfortable theater reclining seats, great for napping. You also have built-in cup holders and some remote control storage. There's also windows all across on this slide out, and it even just moves along towards the back too. This is your sleeper sofa. It will fold out into a sleeping space for up to 2 people. So if you have kids or friends wanting to come stay with you, this is definitely the spot for them. End tables on both sides, and it kind of have open cubbies underneath. Outlets plus USB ports are on both sides too, so you can charge your electronics while you're sleeping or even just sitting there. Storage space up there. And then across from your theater seats, you have a perfect view of your entertainment center. Electric fireplace down below, so you don't have to use your propane up. You can just use your campsite's electricity. And it actually does have some heat to it, so if it happens to be pretty chilly, turn that on and it feels great. Access to your Bluetooth speakers is right there. And you can also access your inside speakers, DVD, radio, all that stuff. Drawer storage on either side. And then you have your 4K Ultra HD TV that is on a swivel. Some additional storage up here. And then coming into our kitchen, you have a nice big island. So plenty of countertop space and room to just serve all of your food. And you have some open cubby storage here on the end portion of it. I don't know if it's over here. So it's just on the other side. Kind of put decorations there if you would like. And you have all this space down below, some drawers and some more cabinets. Then you got your 50-50 split stainless steel sink with your sprayer. The price also happens to be, let's see if I can turn this around, $54,963 for everything before I forget. Across from your sink, you have your residential size microwave, storage that runs all along there. 3 burner top stove with this glass range cover. And then these things are pretty neat. You have one on both sides of your stove. They're pop-up outlets, so you can have decorations to hide them if you would like, but if you're ready to have any type of small appliance plug in there, you can just pop that sucker up. You also have some USB ports to charge your phone and stuff while you're cooking and things like that. Storage is all down below. And then right next to all of that is our stainless steel fridge, and this thing is huge. It's bigger than the one I have at my house. Love it. Pantry storage from the bottom all the way to the top. No lack of storage in this camper, and it goes back very, very far. And even the ones down below is actually a spot where you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit. Or you can just use it for pantry space, whichever you prefer. To the right of that is considered your breakfast bar or your coffee bar. So perfect spot for small appliances there, coffee makers, things like that. Storage below and some up above. Coming along the steps, you have your command system. So this is where you can access your awnings, your slide outs, all of that stuff through this touch screen. And you even can download an app for free on your phone and be able to do it from there, which is pretty cool. And then coming up into our bathroom, Dometic porcelain foot flush toilet to the left. Nice sliding privacy door, so you don't have to really worry about it blocking your hallway. You can really just have it be right. So coming up into our bathroom, you have your barn style sliding door for that privacy. Love that it does not swing out into the hallway space, so you don't have to worry about it, blocking anyone's way. It just keeps everything nice and open. Dometic foot flush porcelain toilet to the left. Towel rack. Some even more towel storage, I guess. Washcloths and things like that. Love the clear glass for your shower. It makes things feel a lot more open. Nice sit down shower too. Plenty of room to turn around in. And then of course you have that skylight up above. Across from your toilet is your sink. Power on the back and even more storage down below. Of course your medicine cabinet. And then last but not least, at the front of our camper is our master bedroom. Queen size bed that does lift up for extra storage underneath. And then you also have end tables, nightstands on both sides that have some cabinet doors so you can kind of hide all of your stuff in there if you need to. Plus some additional shelving. Each side also has outlets plus USB ports to charge those electronics or a sleep app machine. Great big window too that does have the blackout shade. And then above each is closet space. One over there too. And then one of your slide outs on your non-camping slide is actually for your wardrobe. So each door has its own drawer. Put socks and stuff in there, plus a clothes rack so you can hang up your clothes. And then across from your bed you have a spot for a TV bracket so you can hang one up in here. So that is it for this Cougar. Any sort of questions and concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.